The 2013 Skoda Octavia. Skoda has begun testing the next generation Octavia months ago, and today the company finally decided to release the official information of its best-sold model ever. The model arrives just 2 months after the official unveiling of the new Rapid and will be put on sale early in 2013. The new Skoda Octavia will replace the second generation unveiled back in 2004 and will move from the current A5 PQ35 platform to the new MQB platform. This is also the platform used for the 7th generation Golf, which means that the next Skoda will share most of its technical parts with the Golf. The new generation Octavia will be offering a new exterior design language, also seen on the Rapid sedan, and will deliver lots of room, quality, precise workmanship, modern, mature technology, timeless design, high functionality and the best price-value ratio. Update the 11th of December 2012. This review has been updated with the official details, images and specs. Hit the jump to read more about the new generation Octavia. Exterior and interior. The new generation Octavia will be built on the company's new MQB platform, meaning it will significantly grow in length and width. It will be 90 mm (3.54 inches) longer and 45 mm (1.77 inches) wider. The wheelbase will also be 108 mm (4.2 inches) bigger, offering better interior room for the rear passengers. On the exterior, the new Octavia looks sportier and more dynamic than the model it replaces thanks to its more pronounced horizontal lines and the new coupe-like silhouette. Up front, the model will be distinguished by Skoda's new logo and new headlamps design. The rear has also been redesigned so it now offers precision, classiness and perfect proportions. The interior has also been completely redesigned with better quality materials and new technologies, including an all-new generation of radio and radio navigation systems. Safety features: Front Assistant – Emergency braking function from May 2013, Lane Assistant – Multi-collision braking, Automatic brake actuation in an accident, Crew Protect Assistant – Securing of the vehicle in an accident situation, * Driver Activity Assistant – Fatigue detection, and Active front hatch for pedestrian protection, up to 9 airbags, 3-point safety belts, knee airbags standard in EU countries, rear side airbags. Engine lineup. Under the hood, Skoda will place a lineup of newly developed petrol and diesel engines. For the first time, the Octavia will be offered with a 1.6-liter TDI engine that delivers an impressive fuel consumption of just 3.4 liter per 100 kilometers, 69 US mpg. Next to this engine, the sedan will receive 4 new petrol engine and 3 other modern TDI common rail diesel engines. All engines, except the entry-level petrol and diesel options, will be offered with start-stop system and recuperation. Customers will have the possibility to choose between both manual and automatic DSG transmissions, with all-wheel drive versions arriving at a later date. Prices. The new generation Skoda Octavia will go on sale early in 2013. Prices will be announced at a later date. Competition. The list of competitors for the new Octavia will include the usual models: Toyota Camry, Ford Mondeo and Honda Accord, all of them recently updated with new exterior looks and improved engines. The 2012 Camry received a revised 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine and a 3.5-liter V6 engine for the top version. Ford's new Mondeo gets a new 1.0-liter EcoBoost petrol engine, plus a new hybrid version. Love it, looks better than the previous generation new engines, lots of safety features. Leave itno details on the specifications just yet.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.